The fuse is still intact and working, but I'm pretty sure we lost connection because these poles at the end of the fuse is probably separated. Here's the old part. We're just gonna replace it, put everything back in reverse. That way the power can go in from here and exit out here properly. This one should be green. If it is green, we already know we fixed the problem, because before I wasn't getting the green light. As you guys can see, now we have voltage. Alright guys, I wanted to show you something here that I've been dealing with that's been giving me a little bit of a problem. So my subwoofer has not been working, or it's been working really weird for the last couple of weeks. Most of the time it is not working. I have everything hooked up the way it should. I changed the whole fuse box here, and let me just show you. So technically you would have this kind of connection, right? You got your power, and if you can see, I got the power connected just straight to the battery. We're running about 12.63 volts. Now if I keep the negative on the battery and I just go ahead right here before the fuse, again we got 12.63. After the fuse, it dropped down quite a bit, 10 watts, which is it's still getting power, so I don't see the big deal. If I just go directly on the fuse, we're getting our 10 to 11. So again, power is coming through the fuse. But the really weird thing is, when everything is connected like this, the subwoofer still won't power on. It's not getting power at the actual amp. So let's take a look. I'm gonna pass the connection. I'm gonna put the positive in here. I'm only getting 6. So there is some power going through, but clearly there's something going on. So the fuse is a good fuse, as you guys can see. There is nothing wrong with the fuse as a whole. It's not burnt, it's not cracked. But what I did do is I wanted to compare it to another brand new fuse right here. As you guys can see, on this side is the old one, right here is the new one. Pretty much same thing. And once we pop the new one in, you guys are gonna see the main difference right here. So again, at the battery you got 12.6, the end of the fuse 12.6. now once we even plug it in, 12.63, and even if we check the consistency in the back by the wire, 12.634. and now the subwoofer works. So it was a very sticky situation that this fuse was the culprit of it all. I guess it wasn't transferring power efficiently, but it's just so weird because it is not broken. It should be working just as fine. But whatever the case is, I am glad I figured this out. It's been a tedious little process, always checking every situation, trying to rule everything out, but we got the sound system rolling. And my whole phone just fell from the mount. What an outro. So bass is set as in the minimum, treble is 2+2. We are about at 15 volume. The max I believe is 40. Oh yeah. It's working good. I love it. Alright guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Thanks for staying in and trying to resolve this problem with me. Bass is boosted. Everything sounds great. Cruising in this car in the city is going to be a lot more pleasurable listening to the jams that I enjoy. So see you in the next one.